Thank you for accepting our invitation to the Anacon.
Thank
On
you.
behalf of the Smart Lab Tech.
Yeah.
So, tell me about your product profile about Scion instrument.
Yeah. Hi everyone. My name is Varun, and I'm an India Sales Manager for Scion Instrument. So we are having GC, GCMS, Headspace, HPLC for pharma, non-pharma customers and petroleum industries. So in India we have a presence of around 500 installation base, active installation base of Scion instruments, in which all big customers like IOCL, BPCL, many pharma customers like Cipla, Dharuda Pharmaceutical, Nari Pharma, they are using our instruments happily. For pharma customers are using Headspace for residual solvent impurity, USP 463 method, and petroleum we are having analyzers.
With a transfer line.
Yeah, with transfer line Headspace. So that's all about our portfolio, and we are happy to have Smart Lab Tech is our channel partner in south part of India and west part of India. So that's how we are having our presence. So our manufacturing unit is in Netherlands generally. So all products are European, it's not a Chinese product. So product quality is very good. Yeah.
We have heard a very good name in the market.
Yeah.
And it's one of the first company in the world I heard.
Yeah, absolutely. So when you are talking about very first company, since 1948, we are having a legacy of Varian. So we are carrying the Varian legacy. You know, Varian is a very old name. So since 1948, we are in field for GC. So we teach industry what is GC. Okay, so it's not like we are new. So we have a very strong installation base, and the beauty is that we have a Compass CDS software, which is very good software, because software is a very backbone of every machine.
Correct.
So that's how our machine is. And when I am talking about machine specification, detection limit, so our detector sensitivity is very less. We can go up to 1.2 picogram in FID. So same when you are talking about pharma customers, so they need a residual solvent impurity. So we can have best machines with best detection limit in industry, I must say.
You have a CFR 21 compliance in the software?
Yeah, of course. You know, when we are talking about pharma customers, so 21 CFR is very important. So 21 CFR will cover data integrity and data security. So data security means no one can delete anything from computer, and data integrity means if you are doing anything, it should be captured. So our audit trials, everything is there.
Everything.
And what is the beauty, I must say, in our software, you can create unlimited users.
Okay, unlimited use.
Yeah.
So that's the beauty of it.
Yeah, and of course one
We
important.
don't have to pay for any license.
No, you don't need to. You don't need to pay. Yeah.
That's the beauty of it. The rest of the competition we have to pay.
Yeah,
Okay, that's the beauty.
yeah, absolutely. And you know, one thing I want to tell you, this software, we always believe in profitability and productivity
Okay.
relates. So our software is give you better productivity. How to increase the productivity of your lab? The software is having a feature called custom calculations. So by default, that feature is there in software, and that we can install in your, custom calculator we install in your computer, and then there is no need to use Excel sheets.
So that's the beauty of it. So that no need
Yeah.
for external calculations
Yeah.
while doing the IQOQ.
And it is free of cost. Beauty is that it is free of cost. It's a value added service for our customer.
And that can be installed a number of times.
Yes, and number of times. Yeah.
Oh, that's a great.
Yeah,
The software has a very good features.
yeah, absolutely.
Of the
Yeah.
chromatography.
Yeah.
So it's the same software for GCMS which you are using for GC Compass.
So this software can control GC, HPLC of ours, as well third party like Agilent, Shimaju, that can be controlled. Okay, but for GCMS we don't have Compass CDS. We have Mass workstation, and that is also fully compliance software, standalone fully compliance.
So it can WS can acquire data and control data
Yes.
from Shimazu as well and Perkin GC.
So when we're talking about any, MSWS software cannot control any third party GCMS. It can control GC or HPLC.
Only GC and HPLC.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
So it's a universal software.
It's universal
Which can acquire
software.
data from the competition.
Right,
instruments.
absolutely. And our tagline is that, in this exhibition we have a tagline, leader is reborn. So Varian has been converted to Scion instrument. So same legacy from our Netherlands factory, the robustness of machine, stability of machine, repeatability in terms of hardware, software is very good for this machine. So that's how the thing is.
Okay, that's very nice. So if you compare the detector sensitivity of the variant, all detector like FID, NPD, TCD,
Yeah.
how do you compare the sensitivity with the competition?
So when sensitivity is something every vendor can define, but of course on paper we have 1.2 picogram, and if you take the example of Shimaju or other competition, they are claiming 1.4 picogram. So, and if we are, it's not like we are claiming. When our machine came to your site, our engineer will do IQ, OQ, and we will show by using our standard FID checkout what is the limitation, what is the detection limit, what is LOD, LOQ. That's how we prove. We have validated documents. Same for GCMS, same for ECD, TCD. In TCD, especially for gas sample, we can go up to less than 100 ppm. Yeah,
With the gas sampling.
with gas sampling valve. Yeah, you know that we have a legacy of analyzers.
Correct.
So analyzers means Varian, and Varian means Scion. So
It is proven in the market.
it's proven in the market.
NG, RJ is
Yeah,
this
yeah.
part from the
Yeah,
Scion only.
Yes.
It's,
We have DHA software, we have RGA, NGA, TOGA analyzer for industry, and we have a predefined application nodes. So there is no something you tell your requirement, we are there with solution. It's not like that we don't have expertise.
so you are the best company for the customized solution
Yes.
in the market.
Yeah.
Since 2014.
Yeah. Yes.
I
Yeah.
also heard the same from the market.
Yeah, absolutely. We are number one in terms of customized solution, especially. Yeah.
NGRJ. NGRJ is controlled by the same software?
Yes,
Or
in
you
the
need
same
some different
software. In the same software, Compass CDS. For DHA, we have Eclipse software in which you can do certain advanced calculation, but basic everything can be done by Compass CDS.
What about the compatibility of the CTC combi call?
So CTC like third party auto sampler, STA can be controlled with Compass CDS. So there is no need to have any third party software. So we recently, you have seen on LinkedIn, we have recently launched STA driver as well. So that's how. And our R&D is continuously working. In our Netherlands factory, we have around 300 number of pupils who is sitting. We have around 100 pupils are in R&D especially. So we are working on research and development main for giving new technology to our industry, to you people. And of course, in south part of country, we are really happy to have Smart Lab Tech as a channel partner. I can see the aggression under the leadership of Mr. Satya Prasad. So really our reach has increased drastically since last 1 year. I can see. So that's how the thing I really appreciate.
Smart Lab has a special application lab.
Yeah, they have a center of excellence lab. So what is the beauty in India? If you want to do your sample, you can give your sample to Smart Lab Tech, and they have all GC and GCMS in their lab of Scion make, and they can do their sample analysis. So this will be a value added service to customers.
If somebody wants to see their suitable application
Yeah.
on your GCMS,
Yes.
so is that available application in the website and all?
So we have application library, application node that is available on our channel portal and customer portal. Of course, if something is new, we can help customer to develop. But again, for like for HPLC, vitamins soluble. Recently, we have developed cannabins. So these are the application nodes we are having. Same for GCMS. We have developed nitrosamine impurities applications, and dairy milk product application we have developed. Recently, lithium batteries, lot of trend is going on. So we have developed this application in our factory, and application node is available. Same for fatty acid, fatty acid composition for food guidelines. So that's all about these things.
Can we do the nitrosamine samples?
Yeah, nitrosamine sample can be done on GCMS with headspace or ALS.
Okay.
And believe me, when we develop this method, so responses and the detection limit is much better than as the competition. Up to 2 ppb we can go.
Easily.
Yeah, in MRM mode. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. PPP. I think you can go far below than that. Also.
Yeah,
Easily.
definitely. Yes.
I have seen the application notes.
Yeah.
That huge peak on this.
Yes.
So still you can go.
Yeah.
below
Yeah.
the
Right.
2 PPP.
Yeah. Absolutely.
That's very nice. It's a completely universal application.
Yeah.
Can be completed on this.
Right.
And regarding backlash technique and
Yeah.
much available?
So for pesticide analyzer like for GCMSMS, you know, when you are working on food sample, so I understand dirty metrics are there. So with our backflush technology, like we have a DIN switch, and by using that DIN switch, you can have a backflush in which high volatile samples or dirty metrics can be removed. Post and pre backflush can be done in our software. There is no issue. IICT Mumbai, IICT Hyderabad and IIT Hyderabad is having backflush installed in their GCMSMS machine.
That means to throw out unwanted components
Yes.
from the sample matrix.
Yeah,
Use this backflush technique.
right,
to
right.
wash out.
Yeah, yeah. It will save your columns, and of course, it will help to increase the life of your detector, like EM horn, to be less contaminate. Yeah.
So apart from this, you also provide some consumables and other parts also.
Absolutely. So when our belief is that if you are using our GCs or HPLC or any make of GC, so columns like HPLC column, GC columns, vials, septa, liners, everything you will get from one vendor. So we have an entire portfolio of consumable in which you will get ferrules, liners, septa, and everything under one roof. Yeah.
Regarding LC 6000,
Yes.
little focus what kind of detectors you can have connected to.
So when I am talking about HPLC, so I would like to emphasize HPLC is 600 bar HPLC in which 88,700 PSI you can go, and entire detector like UV, DAD, FLD, RI, everything. And we have a application notes available for HPLC as well. And our HPLC we claim ultra low carryover because carryover is very important for pharma customers. So ultra low carryover, we have used 6-channel degassing in this HPLC. So again with control with Compass CDS software.
The same software.
Yeah,
which
same
is for the
software.
GC, same
Yeah.
thing is for the
Yeah.
HPLC.
So for both chromatography like liquid and GC, you can have same software
Same software.
it's with same vendor, and of course channel partner is Smart Lab Tech for both machines.
If somebody wants to have the VOC application,
Yes.
whatever organic chemicals,
Yeah.
what is the additional connectivity?
So in VOC we have purge and trap.
Okay.
So purge and trap is compatible with our GC, and in water VOC nowadays like Central Pollution Control Board are using our machines with VOC application. So they are using a purge and trap.
VOC from the water.
VOC from the water. Yeah. Yeah.
So which model of the purge and trap you are using?
Then we have Teledyne purge and trap we are having. Yeah.
Like Atomax,
Yeah.
XYZ.
Automax. Absolutely.
Luminance also.
Yeah. Luminance. Yeah. With auto sampler Luminance and manual single sample Automax.
So we
Yeah.
have connectivity with our software.
So in this case, Compass CDS can control our GC, but for third party, we have to control with the Teledyne software. It will give, you can create sequence inside Compass CDS,
Okay.
and then trigger will come through Teledyne
So
software.
both softwares will be synchronized.
Both will be synchronized.
Then we can have the sample analysis.
Yes, no problem. Like I can see, Pollution Control Board is using at 5 locations and happily using in India. I'm saying. Yeah. Yes.
So already applications are established.
And one, commercial testing lab like SGS are also using purge and trap with like SEMA lab is using purge and trap with GCMSMS for environmental sample. Like for yeah.
So it's a complete product profile is very nice.
Yes.
You can take up any kind of application.
Right.
Whether environmental, forensics,
Yeah.
pharma,
Yeah.
chemical industry.
Right.
You have covered complete application.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. We have having a presence in forensic as well. Like CFSL are using our machines. So at multiple locations they are using our machines. So we have application notes available for targeting each market segments.
It's very nice discussion with you.
Yeah, thank you for your time. I really appreciate Smart Lab Tech once again to give me this opportunity to sit and have a wonderful discussion. And I am really happy with their presence in south part of country with a lot of sales and trained engineers to solve or reach customer timely. Thank you.